So as not for him to apologize or anything, said, Mr. President, I have my laws here. It's good that you have the death penalty here, because at least you can bring it down to the barest minimum. I said, go ahead and implement the law. We never mentioned about Veloso. Sinabi ko lang, we will respect the judgments of your courts. Period. It would have been a bad taste in the mouth to be talking about having a strong posture against drugs, and here you are begging for something. I'm sorry. I have nothing to apologize because, the law is the law. But then, again, nothing to say I'm sorry for, but the circumstances would not allow me to wander to another field of our talks.
Nang may panibagong presidenteng umpo sa Malacanang, nagsalita ang ama ni Veloso at falsely claiming that the previous two presidents did not do anything and that they have hope that PBBM will do something for their convicted daughter. I just told you na Aquino even broke protocol para lang matanggal sa death row or ma-delay yung execution ni Mary Jane Veloso noong 2015. Si Duterte unwilling to do anything and even symbolically gave Joko Widodo the go-ahead signal to execute Mary Jane Veloso. Parang napaka-ungrateful, di ba? Kasi parang sinabi mo na walang ginawa si Aquino. I mean, sure, si Duterte because he's not willing or unwilling to do anything regarding that to impede upon the Indonesian government. Pero pag sinabi mo si Aquino walang nagawa, that's just ungrateful. No less when the president that saved their daughter just died a year or so ago. Don't spread lies. Hindi mo na nga venerate, hindi mo na nga tinulungan, hindi ka na nga nag-celebrate in the name of that president that saved your daughter from execution,